Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dominic Contreras from Mario Entourage Global. I'm here to give you guys a simple rundown of basically what the introduction of ClickFunnels are. So I'm going to start with the key concepts. Are you currently trying to sell stuff online? Do you have a message that you need to get out? Then I'm sure you're finding converting your traffic into sales is hard to figure out. Even if you keep yourself profitable, that's even harder. But a simple secret to increasing the value of each customer you market to. And we do this with sales funnels. So basically, if you have any type of online business, offline business, ClickFunnels will help you elevate your business to the next level. I truly believe that, at least. And there's been many people proven that with their businesses. By creating a well-designed sales funnel, it is possible to dramatically boost your earnings and provide more value for your clients. What is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels was created back in 2014 by Russell Brunson and his team. Since that time, Russell has turned ClickFunnels into a $100 million per year company, and they just crossed over 65,000 active members as of August 2018. At its core, ClickFunnels is a software for building sales funnel with a lot of additional bells and whistles. You can use it to build landing pages, squeeze pages, webinars, membership sites, every type of sales funnel you can think of, complete with your order bumps, upsells, downsells you can create. So like I was saying up above before, is if you have a business, this would be an amazing opportunity for you to learn ClickFunnels for your business, or somebody on your team learn ClickFunnels for your business, because it can elevate and bring in more sales for you or more people into your business. So the best features of ClickFunnels, number one, is the funnel template blueprints. So everything is literally laid out for you. You just click and drag and drop. Even if you've never created a sales funnel before, then ClickFunnels has you covered. Russell has identified 22 different types of funnels that he has employed successfully in his own business. The funnel forms fall into three main categories: lead capture funnels, sales page funnels, and event funnels. But there are a few additional special funnels like membership funnels you can create as well. So now we're going to get to like one type of funnel, because like I said, there's 22 different types of funnels. So the first funnel is a squeeze page funnel. So this is probably one of the top most important funnels. Is gathering visitors' email addresses and then sends them into a thank you page when registering. So I'm going to pull up a squeeze page funnel for you, like an example that Russell already has for you when you join ClickFunnels. He already has made up templates. So I'm in my ClickFunnels account right now. So if you look, these are all different templates of ones that you can literally select and recreate your own, but using his signs behind it. So you're literally just creating a funnel to collect people's either name, email address, to build your email list, which is huge. So now the second step that you can make with a squeeze page funnel, or a lot of different funnels, is a tripwire funnel. So a tripwire funnel is a more sophisticated sales funnel, such as which sells very low ticket front end product. And then your upsells them to a more expensive product with an order form bumps and one-click upsells or downsells. So basically, right here when you go into your ClickFunnels account, you're going to see on the side right here, this is your steps to your funnel. So you have a squeeze page where we were just talking about getting people in through email. And then you have a sales page. So the sales page is going to be whatever you're selling, your product, or whatever you're selling. And so right here is where you can, in between here and here is where you can have an upsell and downsell in between the cells and order squeeze page. So you can have a upsell or downsell. So basically having a higher product value or a lower product to sell to people. Gives it a higher chance for somebody to buy your product. Okay, so we'll get deeper into that as well later. That'll be it for another video. So the second best feature of ClickFunnels, which to me they're all very amazing features, but these are ones that stand out in that why we love ClickFunnels so much, because it's so easy. You literally, like I said, you just drag, drop. It literally gives you a starting point, an ending point. It's very simple. Russell literally has a whole science behind it. So pages in ClickFunnels are laid out for you with sections that can have any number of rows and columns. We'll get into what rows and columns and sections are later. You can then use your mouse to drag elements around and put them wherever you need them to go. Real sales and marketing theory. Not only are sales funnels important for building a profitable system, but also knowing the right information on how to sell is the missing element. Very important. The main thing is that no programming is required. So don't need to spend time learning any technical things, any crazy thing. Like I said, Russell literally put so much time into this ClickFunnels that it's all laid out for you. Just drag, drop, do your editing, put in all your content. So real quick, there's 190 million plus business and self-independent owners, but only 0.5% are aware of the power of sales funnels, which is so crazy, and that's why I'm making this video, is to make ClickFunnels more out there, more aware to people and their businesses, to help you guys build your business. It's going to help me build mine, and Royal Entourage is, we're going to use ClickFunnels all the way we believe it. So number 3, the nice selection of page elements. Elements or widgets are vital for providing you the flexibility to design the exact pages you want, and ClickFunnels gives you a large array of them to use. So you got basic elements include headline, image, text, button, input types, and video widgets. So super basic for building any landing page. You'll learn all that. It sounds complicated, but honestly, it's super easy. Like, I didn't ever think I'd be able to learn ClickFunnels. Like, I'm gonna be so honest, but honestly, ClickFunnels has become so fun to me. I love doing it, and I know that once I get more and more and more and more involved in doing these videos, that I will be able to help and reach out to other people. ClickFunnels also includes several advanced elements like SMS signup, surveys, pricing tables, progressive bar, Facebook comments, so many different things, countdown timer. It goes on and on. It's endless. Man. Also, see, it's endless. Plus, each there are specialized elements like membership elements for your membership pages, and order and shipping form elements for your order pages. Each element can be easily customized from the editor sidebar. With majority of elements, you can alter common properties such as background colors, margin, fonts, and orientation. That's one of my favorite parts of building a funnel, is making it look very nice and professional. So, causes of pain. I guess if you don't want to make your business better, don't use ClickFunnels. But if you want to elevate your business to the next level. ClickFunnels. The pain is only intensified if you spend money on marketing and advertising with little to no return on investment, ROI. So that's very important. I would read that a couple times. Lies in creating a sales funnel built around 5 stages. In other words, using proven template that's not just easier and faster, but converts like a wildfire. All right, so let's wrap it all up. So my main points of all of this is the final goal is to not make a sale, at least not a single sale. Instead, the goal is creating returning customers with lifetime value. You want to get returning customers. You want them to be people who come and buy your upsells, your downsells. They come and buy your $5 products, your $20 products, whatever services you have. You want them to come back to you. And to accomplish this, we use ClickFunnels and industry-leading sales theories. Who do I believe needs these systems? Everyone, no matter what message or business you have. Like I said, we truly believe in ClickFunnels. So if you have a business, you're an entrepreneur, you're trying to get out there, you're trying to, if you host webinars, if you, really anything, if you are on the online all the time and you're trying to meet up with people and, like I said, host webinars, and you know, ClickFunnels is where you can do all that and reach a lot of people doing it, and the people you want to reach. Do you need to be a tech expert? No. ClickFunnels is easy for anyone to learn and easy for someone who knows it to create the strategies and campaigns that you need to succeed in your business or with your products. So you don't even have to have a product to use ClickFunnels. You can have strictly a business that you're trying to, like I said, collect people's emails. You could use ClickFunnels if you do a lot of advertising on Facebook. ClickFunnels is a great way to reach other people than just the people that you have on Facebook, because, you know, I personally see a lot of businesses posting on Facebook and not getting many results, or little to no results. So I believe ClickFunnels can get you the results that you're looking for and working hard to get. All right, so with that being said, this is Rare Entourage Global. If you want to follow our Facebook, our YouTube is being built at the moment. We're going to throw all these videos on our Facebook page, Rare Entourage Global Network. Modest will also be throwing in some content in this on this page, and we'll have other people coming and throwing content. So there'll always be stuff for you to learn. And I tell you, if you stick to it, you will get results. I can almost guarantee you, if you put in the time, the effort, and you really, really get to work and you learn this, you can really take your business to the next level. With that being said, this is Rare Entourage Global Network, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.